Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the Arte application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the Arte application, what you have to do, make sure the application is not yet installed. Then on your Hisense Smart TV, find your app store and launch. After launching the app store, you can go through or browse through to try to find the application by just browsing through manually, but that is I would say that is the most difficult part because you might not know where the application is. So you just try browsing through, you are going to see the application. But for me, the simplest thing to do is just go over to the search button at the top here and search for application. So just type in the name of application, which is ARTA, Arte. I know I'm trying to pronounce like a Spanish person. So ARTE. So that's the application. I just search, and as you can see, here's the application here. Just click on it once, and it's going to load the installation page in just a second. Here's it over here. So just go over and click on install, and the application will be installed to your smart TV in less than a second. Then you can come over here and choose where to place the application. So you can just browse through and then you place the application wherever you want, and you're good to go. You can go over and launch the application if you want to see how it works. Then you can launch it on your Hisense smart TV, and this is how it looks like once you launch it. That's it about the video. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share.